Hello, I'm Christine. This is my healthy adult patient. And can you tell me your name?
Don,
And where are we?
home,
Okay, and what's today's date?
12/10/21.
Good. Who's the president?
Joe Biden.
All right, and do you know what we're here for today?
Doing an assessment. Health
All
assessment.
right. All right, perfect. Thanks for being willing.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to start with your cranial nerves.
Okay.
So cranial nerve number 1 tests for smell,
Okay.
scent.
Okay.
So if I can have you close a nostril, I'm going to have you close your eyes,
Okay.
and then I'm going to have you sniff this
Okay.
scent. I'll tell you when it's ready.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Can you tell me what that scent is?
Lemon.
Okay, let me get a different scent.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
And yes, perfect. That was lemon. Okay.
Peppermint.
Peppermint.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay, great. Cranial nerve number 2 is done by a smell and vision test, which we got during your history, so
Okay.
we will not be doing that right now.
Okay.
3, 4, and 6 have to do with your eyes.
Okay.
So raise your eyelids. Okay, now go ahead and keep your head still and
Okay.
follow my finger.
Okay.
Looking good.
Okay.
So we could chart a full EOM on that. I'm going to get my pin light, and what I'm going to have you do is just kind of stare off
Okay.
over my shoulder at
Okay.
something in the room,
Okay.
and I'm going to use the pin light and check for pupil constriction.
Okay.
I'm going to turn this on. So just go ahead and... Okay, very good.
Okay.
All right, great. Now can you look at my nose? And then look at that same spot over my shoulder. Look at my nose. Okay, good accommodation. So what we would chart there is PERLA, which
Okay.
is that your pupils are equal, they're round, they're reactive to light, and they accommodate.
Okay.
So good for that. And then nerves 5 and 7 have to do with your face, so puff out your cheeks. Okay, and then open, and then bite down and kind of clench. Okay, check that TMJ. Okay, smile, frown, wrinkle your whole face. Very good. And now, I'm going to have you take... Nope, not that one yet. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just going to have you see if you can feel this.
Yes, I can.
There?
Yep.
Here?
Yep.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Okay, number 8 has to do with your hearing.
Okay.
So I'm going to whisper a word in your
Okay.
ear. So go ahead and close one of your ear.
Okay.
And then, okay, tell me what word I'm saying.
Okay. Cat.
Okay, good. Now close the other ear. Okay, let me whisper.
Dog.
Very good. That's what I whispered. So we'll move on to 9, 10, and 12.
Okay.
And that has to do with your mouth.
Okay.
So I don't have a tongue depressor, but
Okay.
that's what we would use.
Okay.
But just go ahead and let's pretend. So go ahead and stick out your tongue. Say, ah. Check your gag reflex with the tongue depressor. While I'm in there, I'm going to look at your mucous membranes, your teeth, your throat, your tonsils. Everything's looking really good. I'm going to have you take a swallow of water here.
Okay.
So this looks great.
Okay.
Okay. So that nerve is done. Now, for nerve 11, I'm just going to put a little resistance and have you shrug your shoulders. Okay, good. Now, push against my hand. Other way. Okay, all of your cranial nerves are intact.
Okay.
So we'll move on.
Okay.
And I'm just going to have you do some rapid alternating movements with your
Okay.
hands. So just up and down and up and down. Okay, very good. What about your fingers to your thumbs? Okay. I'm going to have you close your eyes,
Okay.
and I'm going to place in your hand, go ahead.
Okay.
I'm going to place an easily identifiable object.
Okay.
And tell me if you can identify that.
Okay. Paperclip.
A paperclip. Okay, good. I'm going to write a symbol on your hand and tell me if you know what it is.
A.
A. That's correct. Okay. So that looks good. Okay, now I'm going to check your sense of balance. So if you can stand up.
Okay.
Let's see. Come here a little bit. Okay. Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I'm going to have you put your arms out, close your eyes,
Okay.
and balance on one foot.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Okay, good. Now the other foot. Okay. And walk on your heels. Good. Open your eyes. Can I walk on your toes? Good. And can you rub your your toes on your shin. What about the other foot? Okay, good. All right. So I'm going to check while you're standing up for vertebral tenderness and CVA tenderness. Any tenderness in your vertebrae?
No.
Okay. What about the CVA
No.
area? Okay. How about over here?
None.
Okay. Excellent. Okay. So that does it there. Now I'm going to have you sit back down.
Okay.
And then we will start with the skin.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm going to check for temperature.
Okay.
Color. I'm
Okay.
going to palpate. I'm
Okay.
going to look for any abnormalities.
Okay.
And in your hair, do you have any pain?
No.
Okay, good. And now I'm going to start with your ears.
Okay.
We would normally use a tool, but we don't
Okay.
have it. So we would just look at the outside of the ears.
Oh, okay.
They look normal.
Okay.
We would look in your ear canal, your
Okay.
eardrums with the tool. Any
Okay.
pain?
No.
Okay. Now the other side
Okay.
looks normal. Okay. We would use the tool. Look in your ear canal, your
Okay.
eardrum. Any pain in that ear?
None.
Great. Now
Okay.
we would look in your nose,
Okay.
inspect your nares. Okay. In there with the tool, we would check for drainage,
Okay.
a deviated septum.
Okay.
Also, we would check the color of the turbinates. Okay?
Excuse me.
Okay? And everything looks great.
Okay.
Then we would continue to move on
Okay.
and do a neck and a throat assessment.
Okay.
So just go ahead and kind of relax. Let me palpate the lymph nodes.
Okay.
Okay, check for symmetry. Everything looks really good. Palpate the thyroid.
Okay.
And excuse me, while I'm palpating the thyroid, could you take a swallow of water? Hold on. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, thyroid feels normal. Everything looks symmetrical. You okay? Need some more water? Okay, so now I'm just going to feel your, here, just put your head down a little bit and relax. I'm going to feel your carotid pulse.
Okay. Okay.
And then I would also listen for a bruit.
Okay.
With the bell of my stethoscope.
Okay.
For that carotid pulse.
Okay.
While I have my stethoscope, I'm just going to go ahead and listen to breath sounds. And I would just continue to do that all the way down. And I would go side to side to check, for symmetry. And then I would also listen to heart sounds. So this off the sternal border on the right side, the second intercostal, I would start with the aortic. Just going to listen to your heart.
Okay.
No, that's the right side. I don't know if I said right or left, but this is the right side.
Okay.
Then on the left side, second intercostal,
okay.
Listen to the pulmonic.
Okay.
Third intercostal space, I'm going to go ahead and listen for herbs.
Okay.
Tricuspid would be fourth. And then mitral would be fifth. And that's mid-clavicular.
Okay.
I could also take your apical pulse here at this point.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to do some assessment on your back.
Okay.
Let's turn a little bit.
Okay.
And then could you say 99?
99.
Again?
99.
Again?
99.
Okay, and I would check this
99.
in all 8 locations.
99.
Okay, and then with my stethoscope,
okay,
I would, if you could say ABC.
ABC.
Again?
ABC. ABC.
Okay.
ABC.
And I would again check
ABC.
The 8 locations.
ABC.
And then if you could whisper.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, just whisper.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Checking those 8 locations
1, 2, 3.
again.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. And then also, I'm going to have you say E and exaggerate, like hold it.
Okay. E. E.
Good.
E. E.
Okay, good.
E. E.
Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you if you could please lay down.
Okay.
And I'm going to assess your abdomen.
Okay.
First, visually inspecting.
Okay.
And then I would listen for all 4 quadrants for bowel sounds.
Okay.
And then after we've done that, I'm going to listen for an aortic bruit.
Okay.
Well, I did the 1, 2, and then the 3, 4 bowel sounds, and then the aortic bruit.
Okay.
And then what I would do next is percuss
Okay.
the spleen.
Okay.
And then this right side, I would percuss the liver. And then I'm going to do a light palpation and then a deep. So kind of a light over here on the spleen.
Okay.
Light over here on the liver.
Okay.
Identify it.
Okay.
Can you take a deep breath out? Okay, good. Now I'm going to do a deep. Okay, good. Now what about over here on the spleen? Can you just take a deep breath out?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. We'll do like a deep palpation on this guy. Okay. Now, for your extremities.
Okay.
So, just go ahead and still lay down if you don't mind.
Oh,
Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. So, just kind of look over your skin, look at everything. Take your radial pulse.
Okay.
And what about, I'll just check this pulses at the same time. Okay. A cap refill.
Okay.
That looks good. Legs. Look at the color, the temperature, everything looks good. I'm going to take a pulse back here, which can be a little tricky to find.
Okay.
And then a dorsal pedial pulse.
Okay.
And cap refill on your toes.
Okay.
Those look good. Okay. And then I'm just going to take my hand and dorsal flex. Any pain?
No.
Okay, that checks for
Good.
DVT and for clonus.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm trying to remember. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we've done the pulses, we've done the inspection, now reflexes.
Okay.
So sit up.
Okay.
And, okay. So 3 reflexes we would check on the arm.
Okay.
Bicep.
Okay.
And we would take our reflex hammer.
Okay.
And here's where we would check for that reflex.
Okay.
And then this is the tricep.
Okay.
Reflex. I don't know if the camera can see that. But
okay.
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 And then we would also check the reflex. This area.
Okay.
Okay, and then on your legs.
Okay.
I'm going to check the patellar.
Okay.
And that's in this area right here.
Okay.
And your leg would have to be dangling, obviously.
Okay.
Okay, and then on this one, we would check the Achilles.
Okay.
Okay.
Great.
Well, thank you very much. Pass the flying colors.
Appreciate it. Thank you.